The Dreamtime Sail bookshop has a range of ebooks available covering provisioning, great recipes from our galley, the Follow in Our Wake Routes and Anchorage Guide to sail from Brisbane to Horn Island without a night passage, and guides to preparing to leave Australia by boat, and then navigating the official processes when entering Indonesia. Our newest ebook, Follow in Our Wake Indonesia, details everything we learned on our sailing journey through Indonesia during 2023 and 4. It's meant to complement, not replace, existing pilot guides on the region. While those pilot guides and boating apps are valuable, our ebook includes details on local attractions, local contacts for assistance, and practical tips like fuel station and market locations. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive guide for sailors and travellers, akin to a lonely planet for the sea. Our travels have taken us to the most popular Indonesian locations, as well as lesser-known areas generally not visited by the sailing community. Even if you don't follow our exact route, the content in this ebook will be valuable for many areas you may sail to. Starting from our last anchorage in Australia at Horn Island in the Torres Strait, through Indonesia and ending in Putari Harbour in southern Malaysia, the book traces our southeast monsoon season journey from July 2023 to November, and then transitioning into the northwest monsoon from December 23 and navigating the equatorial regions of North Sulawesi, and returning to the southeast monsoon season from April to September 2024. Follow in Our Wake Indonesia Part 1 covers a total of 5,939 nautical miles or 11,000 kilometres over 423 days. The ebook includes additional links to extra information contained in blogs and YouTube episodes, providing a comprehensive overview of the regions we explored. This almost 400-page ebook goes beyond anchoring locations and offers anchorage positions and notes, weather conditions, interactive tracks between anchorages, waypoints and depths, navigation hazards, passage making and mileage, insights on those anchorages, brief history and cultural information, points of interest in each area, and extremely valuable contacts for tours and local assistance, plus general information of those destinations. There's recommendations for markets, laundry services and dinghy docks with maps for precise locations. This guide caters to both sailors and travellers, reflecting our dual identity as both. We truly hope you get the opportunity to enjoy this beautiful country. It really has spectacular destinations, and the people's friendliness and generosity knows no bounds. We're keen photographers, videographers and storytellers, and through this ebook, combined with our blogs, YouTube episodes and photos, we hope to encourage sailors and other travellers to spend more time in this beautiful country. You can check out Follow in Our Wake Indonesia, plus our other books, screensavers and more at our bookshelf on Payip. It's at the link in the corner or in the episode description below.